This is a tutorial on how to use Hippo. Hippo is a fun tool that is designed for creating videos using screen capture, webcam, and audio. Hippo has really neat and fun features that allow you to edit videos by adding emojis, text, cropping, and much more, and it's very straightforward and easy to use. Students and teachers can both benefit from Hippo by creating a video, by screen recording, or videos from images to provide a creative instructional method for teaching or providing step-by-step instructions. In my case, I plan to use this tool to have my students create a video tutorial. So now I will demonstrate how to use Hippo by creating a video with images. So once you've signed up to use Hippo, select Login on the top right-hand corner. It will automatically open up your library page if you have created videos. This is where it will show up. You also have an assignments tab if you upload assignments. There's also a tab on which users have viewed your videos, as well as settings option. I'm going to take you to the Hippo icon on the left side. This is going to show you all of your options on how to create a video. So you can screen record, webcam, audio, import a video, or create a video from images. This is what I'm going to show you today. So select Create Video. You can bring in images from your computer, ones you've recently used within Hippo, your Google Drive. You can search images, you can buy images. I'm going to bring in my images from my computer. You can select your images by holding Control down. You can bring in multiple at one time. Then select Import. You can review the images you've decided to bring in, make sure those are correct. You can change the duration of how long your images will show on the screen. You can turn on and off the fade in and out option, and you can add audio as well if you would like. I will bring in jazz, select Import, then you can preview your video, select Play, you can review how long the images are showing, if you'd like it to be slower or faster, if you like the fade in and out option, and review the audio as well if you've decided to bring in audio. Then select Save in the top right, then Save and Edit. Your video will then be imported. It takes a second for it to be compressed. Once your video is brought in, you can now review all of your options in customizing your video. So you're able to clip your video, crop, add text, add emojis, call outs, and different effects. So first I'm going to start by adding a text. On the initial images, we'll show what we're going to be discussing. You can change the color and the size and the font and select Add. It's going to drop down here and show you exactly which slides it's going to show. So show on, so you can have that title go over multiple images or just the initial image. Let me show you a preview. So see how that's not centered? You can just drag and drop. Review the color if you want to change the color or the font size. Select Play, and you'll see that it's now going to disappear. So you can edit that, just drag and drop. You can add an emoji. There's a various topic that you want to discuss. You can just bring in a certain one, slide it around wherever you want that to appear. We'll go ahead and replay and see where our emoji is going to appear. So you can pause and move your emoji to where you would like it to show. Once again, you can play, you can drag and drop, you can add some more narration if you'd like to add something that you left out. And once you've played around and really customized your video, you can either preview the video or select Save in the right-hand corner. And once your video is saved, it will be processed. You can review it again, and it will be saved in your library. So once it renders, it takes a second to reappear. Then you can select Play, listen to your music, check out the text and different screen captures that you've added to really capture your students' attention and make it a fun learning experience. You can grab your link down here for your video, and there's many export options and resaving it. All right, that is all I have for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.